Good day, folks. Sean here from Air Photography. Spring has arrived in Ontario, and as I'm out for a walk, I thought I'd take this opportunity to answer a few questions I've been getting about vlogging with DJI equipment, especially now that the DJI Pocket 3, Action 4, and Action 5 have been on the market for a while. People keep asking, which one is the best vlogging camera? And honestly, the answer isn't one size fits all, because both cameras are excellent choices, but for me, when I'm out vlogging, I always reach for an action camera, and right now, I'm filming this on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with the DJI Mic 2 connected via Bluetooth, giving me clean, wireless audio on the go. Don't get me wrong, the Pocket 3 is a fantastic vlogging tool, but what draws me to the Action 5 Pro is its simplicity and practicality in the field. The Pocket 3, while powerful, feels a bit awkward in hand, even with the extended handle. It has a narrower field of view, so even with a wide-angle lens, I find myself stretching my arm out as far as I can, yet it still doesn't feel wide enough, which is why I usually resort to using an extension pole for a better shot. But here's the catch. When you attach the Pocket 3 to a pole, the gimbal introduces limitations because it can't rotate or tilt far enough to give you proper framing. And even with an adapter, holding it at the right angle is a struggle, not to mention it's tough to check the screen while walking. Now compare that to the Action 5 Pro, which offers rock-solid stability even on rough terrain, with no gimbal to worry about and a design that lets me point in my general direction and trust that it'll deliver smooth, centered footage every time. And when it comes to durability, the Action 5 Pro wins again. Sure, the Pocket 3 is well built, but the mechanical gimbal adds fragility, and a drop could spell disaster, whereas the Action 5 can take a hit and with protective frame or waterproof case, you're ready for anything nature throws at you. Now let's talk video quality. The Pocket 3 definitely edges out the Action 5 Pro in low-light conditions thanks to its 1-inch sensor and mechanical gimbal. So if your content is mostly indoors or at night, the Pocket 3 might be your best bet. But for daytime or active outdoor shooting, the Action 5 Pro's electronic stabilization holds its own remarkably. Well, and features like Active Track are available on both, though the Pocket 3 can literally follow you by moving its gimbal, while the Action 5 Pro keeps you centered by cropping the frame down to 2.7K. Plenty good for social media. And if you're all about audio and vertical content, both cameras excel, supporting 2 mics and easy Bluetooth pairing. Plus, vertical mode is a breeze, especially with the Action 5 Pro, which rotates in its frame and captures full 4K vertical footage, whereas the Pocket 3 tops out at 3K in vertical mode. Again, not a huge difference, but it's something to note. So for me, the Action 5 Pro is my go-to vlogging camera, especially when I'm walking and talking like this, because handling it on an extension pole is effortless, unlike the Pocket 3, which gets clunky and hard to frame when elevated. For stationary shots on a tripod, I do like the Pocket 3 for its cinematic feel and that amazing sensor, but for run-and-gun vlogging, the Action 5 Pro just makes more sense. It's easy, it's durable, and it works. And that's what I want when I'm out filming in unpredictable environments. So there you have it, my full thoughts on vlogging with the DJI Action 5 Pro versus the Pocket 3. Depending on your style and setup, either one could be the perfect fit for you. But if you're looking for reliable performance in active scenarios, the Action 5 Pro is tough to beat. Thanks for tuning in, and for more real-world camera reviews, drone updates, and vlogging gear insights, stay locked right here on TechVerse.